Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the frame rate in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. We have to select one that we want to work on. And then in the top right corner, we find this little rectangle. We have to tap on this. And here in the middle slider, we can set the frame rate of the video that is going to be exported. We can set it to 60 FPS for a smoother playback, or to a lower frame rate count, so that it takes up less space. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.